Hi, today we'll understand how to trade for the next day. What is the setup we have to understand from the previous day? Let us understand in this video. So if you see here, I have been opened, I'm magnifying the video. This is Nifty, I have opened the chart. So what is my trading setup? How I'll try to keep a BTST trade for the next day? What is my plan? You can see here. This is the chart which we are observing has been done on Friday. Okay, the Friday chart it is. So next we will get Saturday, Sunday holiday. So Monday will be the trading opening session. So what is my trading plan? How I done? I kept a BTST trade actually. So what is the plan I made is initially when it is opening around 9:15, you can see here the chart from 9:15 you can see the chart. So it opened here around it started with the 24204. From there it has started slowly. It has been falling down and falling down. On the day I think you are having a huge fall. Nearly it has been fallen to 200-300 points down. So if you see this, finally around 210 like that, it came to the bottom level which you have been observed is 23,816. So like that, the total market from starting to 215 have been observed the market, and it has been taken from 210 onwards or 25 onwards. A green candle has been started, but I cannot decide that it is becoming reverse from the bearish mode to bullish mode. What is the uh, how can we expect the trend is changing here is after this green candle, which is a 1 minute candle, it is, if you change it to 5 minutes it will be better. So this is the candle, you can see the least you got 814, and there is some rejection candle here. Okay, after this rejection candle you got one small green. After that, one good bullish green we got, and this green has been overcome this previous red candle. Therefore we can understand that there is some trend change, and this type of movement we call it as short covering. Slowly it has been short covered from 135 onwards. You can see short covering, sorry, around 215 onward there is a short covering, and it has been moved nearly around some 130 points more above, and again it came back slowly to 50 points down, and again it came to the original position. So after seeing this pattern, whatever the pattern you are seeing here, see here, I'll write here this pattern. This pattern is very important here, this pattern. So whenever the pattern at the end of the trading session around 215 to 330, if it goes up like that, the meaning is the next day which we can expect is it may be a gap up or flat opening. It cannot be gap down, it will be gap up. Because of this strategy, I applied what I can say, on Monday BTST trade I have taken in the upward side. That's called call side I have taken. But if you go for buying side, Saturday, Sunday, the premium will get decayed. Because of that, it will be very difficult for you. The premium may decay. For every day, you will have some 20 to 30 points decay will be there. That's why here the concept we have to apply is not the buying strategy. Selling strategy is very important. But for sellers, we need more amount. That's known fact. To buy one lot, at least 2 lakhs we require. But if it's a buyers, we require only 10,000 or 15,000 to buy. Out of the money or in the money, hardly it takes 20 to 30,000 investment. But here, if you go for as a seller, it's a very great advantage for you. If it is a flat opening also, you will get profit. If it is gap up also, you will get a profit here. Slightly flat opening, you will get a profit because 2 days decay will be there. The decay you are going to capture. And if it is gap up, is a wonderful thing. You will get some extra points due to gap up. Not only that, you will get the decay also. So this is one type of strategy we can use. And another way is, if the trending market is going up like this, and if it falls at 2 o'clock to 3:30, suppose if it is coming to downtrend, at that time you can expect sellers are getting activated. So on the next day, if you want to keep a BTST trade, you can go for a put trade. And that put trade also, if it is on Friday, don't go for buy, go for selling only. If it is only Monday to Friday, you can go for buying. There is no issue, because 1 day gap will be there. That is not a problem. But if it is on Friday, you are keeping a BTST trade, compulsory you should have. You should go for selling is very important. Otherwise, your total premium will get decayed. And whatever you are expecting, if it happens also, you will be in loss only. So please understand this strategy. This is one of the best strategy I use to keep a BTST trade in Nifty analysis. Thank you so much. Thank you.